young man died on the spot in a collision between a container car and a bike. The name of the deceased was Arjun Nath. Incident occurred at Assam-Agartala National Highway near Panisagar railway station on Thursday afternoon. According to the details of the incident, Arjun Nath, son of Sudhir Chandra Nath, a resident of Ward number 5, Bilthai Chandpur under Panisagar subdivision, was coming to Panisagar with a bike number TR07E9952 when a container vehicle with number AS01RC2298 came from behind on the Assam-Agartala National Highway near Panisagar railway station and collided with a bike. Arjun Nath fell off the bike and got seriously injured. On being informed about the incident, Panisagar Fire Brigade personnel rescued Arjun Nath, who was seriously injured, and took him to Panisagar Sub-District Hospital. The doctor on duty at the hospital declared him dead after the examination. Panisagar police rushed to the spot as soon as they were informed about the incident. The accident, bike and the container vehicle were recovered and taken to Panisagar police station. A shadow of grief has descended on the area over the incident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.